Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be getting a first look. It's kind of an unboxing, sort of, but it's a first look at the Marc Jacobs, the logo strap Snapshot crossbody bag. I'm super excited. It's my first Snapshot bag. And I got it in my favorite color, blue, so it should be really beautiful. I've already taken off the majority of the paper. This bag retails for $2.95. I got it directly from the Marc Jacobs website. I do know that they sell it at Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom. They also sell it at Saks Fifth as well. So the bag itself looks like this. It is a beautiful blue color. You can see it is Saffiano leather. Very sturdy, very structured. You could literally sit this on a table and it's not gonna fall over. The top of it is a very beautiful light baby blue color. The back of it is also the navy blue, and the bottom of it is the black. So you have black at the bottom, navy in the back, navy in the front, and then baby blue at the top. And then at the top, of course, it says the Marc Jacobs with gold hardware, gold zipper, gold double J here, and then gold zipper right there. Now there is a pocket in the back. It is pretty tight back here, so I really don't know what the hell you can put there. Maybe like an ID card or a credit card really quick if you wanted to like get to it really fast. If you're going to a concert or something, you don't want to be fumbling around in your card case, you can put it there. That'll be cool. It does have two sides where you can open and put your items into. So this is the one side. It does have a pocket. Oh, let's turn it this way. There we go. We have an interior pocket on this one, and both sides of this are actually lined, so you're not gonna have to worry about that. This is your authentication information right here. But their inside pocket, I think it's a nice size. You'd probably be able to put your lip gloss. If you have a small key fob, that would likely fit in there as well. I'm going to be honest with you, there's not a ton of room, but if you want to put your keys and then maybe like a small card case in here, you could put your lip gloss in there as well. And then of course you have the other side, which again is lined black. You can sit your essentials in here. I would probably put my inhaler in there as well. I do have an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and it does fit. So this is my 12 Pro Max with a cover, and it does fit. But if you're using that side of the bag, you might be limited to what else you can fit in there with your cell phone. It did come with a dust bag, the Marc Jacobs dust bag right here. And listen, when I tell you this guitar strap is beautiful, it is absolutely stunning. It is well made, it is thick. It is my first guitar strap, so I haven't really had bags with a guitar strap, but it is beautiful. Look at the detail. You have some sparkle with it. If you're not a fan of sparkle, that's okay. The guitar straps are interchangeable, so you can always swap this one with a different one if you want to. But even the hooks are detailed. They're beautiful. They're large. They're not dainty at all. The detail is there. They're gold, and it does say the Marc Jacobs on the hooks there. This is hook 1, hook 2. Right there it says the Marc Jacobs. It is absolutely gorgeous, and you can definitely adjust it, so it is adjustable. This is how you would do that with the bag, depending on if you're shorter or a taller girl, gal, or guy. This would be easy for you to adjust. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm really very impressed with this. I think this is absolutely worth the price tag of $295. I think you're getting it at a steal. Now this is not going to necessarily be a bag that you're going to put a ton of stuff into because it's not that big. It'll be like an everyday bag if you're just a person that wants to put your main essentials and just go. I'm going to give you another look at the double J and the blue. This is absolutely beautiful. I am so happy. And these are just the zippers. So I didn't take the covering off the zipper just because I knew I was not going to wear it immediately. I didn't want to take everything out of the plastic, but this is basically just the zipper. The zipper right here. But this is the front, or the top of it. This is the back. Once again, you have a nice large pocket, but again, it is tight, so I don't think a lot is going to fit in there. Black at the bottom, and once again, you have blue in the front and blue in the back. And this again is your guitar strap. I'm going to try it on for you guys so that you know where it hits you. I am 5'6". I have on some Adidas slides, so maybe I'll have an extra like half an inch or maybe an inch added to my height, but not much at all. I'm going to try it on so you guys can see what it looks like. So once again, I am 5'6". I do have on a pair of slides. This is the bag on me, and it's not adjusted whatsoever. This is just how the strap is, like straight up out the box. And it hits me a little below the hip. So I would likely raise it up a little bit more to where it's probably sitting like this. But this is just to tell you that if you're a taller person, you would definitely be able to get away with this bag because it already comes with a longer length of a strap. And this is me like to the side. I'm not trying to show my cakes, but this is what it looks like on the side. I absolutely love it. The Marc Jacobs is definitely very prominent here. You'll love it. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, you can find the Snapshot crossbody bags online at marcjacobs.com, online at nordstrom.com. Bloomingdale's has them as well, Saks, and they have different colors, different strap types. They have something for everybody. Please make sure that you comment, most importantly like, ask your questions, and definitely subscribe and turn on those notifications. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye.